Life processes in living organism. Part 1. How are the foodstuffs and the nutrient contents useful for body? What is the difference of balanced diet for body? Which different functions are performed by muscles in body? What is the importance of digestive juices in digestive system? Which system is in action for removal of waste materials produced in human body? What is the role of circulatory system in energy production? How are the various processes occurring in human body controlled? In how many ways? Living organisms and life processes. Various organ systems are continuously performing their functions in human body. Along with the various systems like digestive, respiratory, circulatory, excretory, and control systems, different external and internal organs are performing their functions independently but through a complete coordination. This overall system is in action in more or less same way in all the organisms. Those are in need of continuous source of energy for this purpose. Carbohydrates, fats, lipids are the main sources of this energy, and it is harvested by the mitochondria present in each cell. It is not like that only foodstuff is sufficient for energy production, but oxygen is also necessary. All these foodstuffs and oxygen are transported up to the cell via circulatory system. Besides, it is coordinated by the control system of the body. Each life process contributes in its own way in the process of energy production. Functioning of all these life processes also requires the energy. Now, various life organisms and life processes, living organisms, we are living organisms, each one of us, all the different animals or different plants, they form the living organisms, and the life processes like eating, digestive system, respiratory system, breathing, circulatory system, that is the blood circulation, excretory system, that is urine, and control system, that is nervous system. Different external and internal organs are performing their functions independently. So we are having different organs like liver, heart, lungs, and kidney and other organs. They are either internal or external organs. All these organs perform functions independently. The heart performs circulatory system, pumping of the blood. The kidneys perform the filtration of the blood and removal of the waste matter in the form of urine. The liver performs the function of producing digestive juices which are required for digestion of food. All these different organs, whether they are internal or external, they all perform the functions independently. And to perform these functions, they need coordination, a complete coordination. Coordination means uh, when it is required to produce digestion, that time digestive juices have to be produced. When you eat food, in order to digest the food, the liver starts producing bile juice, the pancreas starts producing insulin and pancreatic juices. So they will produce only when there is food in the digestive system. This is known as coordination. Coordination also plays a part in, suppose you are trying to ride a bicycle. So your eyes will see, your hands will control the handle of the bicycle, your legs will pedal the bicycle forward. All these are coordinated, and this coordination is brought in by the brain. So this is the control system. Complete coordination is brought in by the brain, which is the control system. And for all the different organs to perform, to carry on the various processes, energy is required. What are the source of energy? Carbohydrates, fats, lipids are the main source of energy. And this energy is harvested by mitochondria present in each cell. Harvested means to make use of. This energy is made use of by the mitochondria present in each cell. Our body has different organs, and different organs have tissues, and tissues have cells. The smallest unit of the body is a cell, and the cells contain mitochondria. So when the food reaches there in the form of dissolved food, when it reaches there through the blood, the food and the oxygen which is present in it, they together produce energy. All these foodstuffs and oxygen are transported up to the cell via circulatory system. Circulatory system is the blood. Besides, it is coordinated by the control system of the body. Each life process contributes in its own way in the process of energy production. Functioning of all these life processes also requires the energy. Human and other animals consume the fruits and vegetables. Plants are autotrophs. Plants are autotrophs means they prepare their own food. They utilize some of the food for themselves. When the plants produce food, some food is used by themselves, and the remaining is stored in the various parts like fruits, leaves, stem, roots, etc. We consume all these various plant materials and obtain different nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, etc. Which food material do we consume to obtain these nutrients? We obtain the carbohydrates from milk, fruits, jaggery, cane sugar, vegetables, potatoes, sweet meats, mithai, and cereals like wheat, maize, ragi, jawar, millet, rice, etc. We get 4 kilocalories energy per gram of carbohydrates. Let us study the way by which this energy is obtained. Many players are seen consuming some foodstuffs during breaks of the game. Why may be the players consuming these foodstuffs? What is respiration? How does it occur?